Hey guys, so today I'm going to transform an old CPU case into a home decor item. So let me show you the. So if you see here, this is an empty case that I have of CPU, and as visible I have put in a little bit of light, and that has been fixed previously. Like, you can just get rid of all the internals of the CPU, and you can just use sellotape to put that light. I've done that. I wish I had made a video of that, but unfortunately when I got the idea of creating this video, the light work was done. However, I have a lot of other things to decorate. So I have opened the front part of the CPU here, and this is the front part which will come in. If you can see here, it's a bit transparent, a little bit, which is why I kind of got this idea of transforming it into something, because this is visible to outside, because it's a plastic, and therefore let's go ahead and transform the CPU into something beautiful. So the material that I have is, as you can see here, no, ignore the candle, the stones, a few of artificial plants. This is another light that I've kind of got for because the CPU is black in color, right? So we need a lot of light to brighten it up, otherwise it won't look good. I mean, this light, whatever you see, it's very less intensity, so it just gives a very light effect, and it won't be visible much. So this light is needed, and this light is kind of a good one, in the sense that where's the switch? Yeah, if you do this, it has got three modes. Why am I not able to? Okay, yeah. So small, light touch. I keep mistakenly clicking it multiple times and a bit hard, thinking that it will turn on, but no, it's just light touch. And it is I've got this cable with me. It can be charged via USB. And apart from that, I have a few decor items that I've brought. These are some decor items that I've brought. And all of this, whatever you're seeing, everything is from Amazon, and everything is available there. So I think by seeing the material, you can guess that what I'm going to make. So let's get started. So right now you can see how poorly lit the lights are. It's pretty dim, so we'll need to add this light. It'll give a good vibe. This particular shade, the white is going to be a contrast. So let's get started with. Okay, so initially, if you see, this is how the cover goes in. Now if you see, the height is still here, so we will need to make something to give it a little bit of platform, a bit of height. So I'm going to take this. This is an old Amazon packet. I'm going to fold it, and I'm going to put it in the base of it. Okay, and over it I am going to add the stones. Now, I mean, what will you do with a old CPU case for 5-6 years old? It's just a 5-6 years old, right? I mean, you can like, what's the probability that you'll be able to sell it at a good rate? And also, who's going to buy old CPU cases? So this, instead of wasting it and letting it, or I don't know, waste that entire case, you can just use it to make something pretty. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll I should keep the screws a bit away because I don't want to lose them. More in the sense that the height needs to be elevated. Let me just check if the height is visible or not. Not really. I'll need a few more stones. Okay. A problem might be when I'm trying to close the thing. I just haul at him. Okay, there you go. That's the problem that I'm talking about. Another problem would be that since so much of stones are getting used, it might be a bit difficult to move this. So it has to be kept in one place. You can't just randomly move it here and there. Okay, I think this height should work. Let me see it once. Oh yeah, this works. This works. It's visible. Great. Okay, now let's fix the plants first. Sorry if my head just came into a screen. Okay, so I'll need these to fill up the gaps, I guess. Maybe if I can put it here, will it stay? Oh yes, it's staying. Perfect. This one is staying as well, and if I put this here, that also is staying. Okay. Maybe, works. Okay. Get these decorations. Oh, this is open outside. We can put it here. Is this a pumpkin house though? What is this? Yeah. It's a pumpkin shaped house. That is so cute, guys. Like super cute. Oh, and it's a bunny. Even this is very cute. How many bunnies do we have? Oh, we have 4 bunnies. Nice. Wait, what is this one? Okay, this bunny is holding a carrot. Super cute again. This bunny is probably meditating, which you should, guys. You guys should meditate off it. Cute, right? Yeah. And what is this one again? I don't know. Contemplating life, I guess. Cute. Again. So yeah. Where do I put this? I'll put this here. I can put it here. This one. Maybe the bunny carrot can be kept here. And white, it'll go with the stone, so I don't know. I don't think I should keep it here. Wait a minute. Will this part be visible as well? Oh yeah. Oh yum. Yum yum yum. Okay. Great. So we can put these 3 side by side because black will contrast and it will be visible. This carrot though, because beyond this I don't think it will be visible beyond this. No, it won't be visible beyond this. So maybe I have to buy a few more decor. Actually, yes, I'm planning to buy a few more decor items. Maybe this one should be here. Okay, and this light I need it from the top. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to put it here. Okay. Should I remove the ow? So oops. I need to do something with this. Ah, God. Okay. I'll have to get some. I don't know. I'll have to fix this some way. Okay. I'll try to do something about this. This doesn't look good. So. Right, okay, now why isn't it switching on? Hello. Does this look better, or do you think this looks better, or do you think this looks better? Three of them. I think white isn't looking that good, so yeah, maybe this one. Now let me just screw it all up. I feel this area, like the behind the three bunnies, would need a little bit of decoration, and also I feel like this area might need a little bit of decoration as well. So I'm gonna do that and put in the screws. There are multiple lights in the room. Oh, the thing is that carrot is not visible, so I'll just remove that, because that carrot needs to be, big carrot needs to be blown. The stove needs place. Maybe it will be here. How do I put this as fallen off? No. Let it be here. Okay, now I need to place the carrot near the. Makes sense, right? Put it like a seat. Cute. Okay. Now let's put it, close it, and let's fasten the screw. And let's turn off the light and see how it comes out to be. I mean, with the lights on, it's kind of cute. Okay, I have switched off the lights, and this is how it looks, guys. That is super cute. The light is falling on it. Like if I did not put that extra light that you see on the top, it would have been pretty dark. Like I've already tried and tested that. It's pretty dark and it's pretty bad. So yeah, now it looks beautiful. See the back side of the CPU is this. Oh, by the way, this had an empty slot, and I had to put in a cardboard so that the stones don't fall out. And this is the front side. I'll have to do something with this. Yeah, I'll just put something. But yeah, this is it. Isn't that cute? Maybe I'll do something with the background, because there are like empty slots there. I don't know what I should place, more plants or something that'll make it look good. But yeah, easy peasy, right? Okay, thanks guys, bye.